In this video, I'm about to show you how to fix corrupted save data in Rocket League Xbox. First, navigate to your game save folder. Now copy all the game files from the saves folder and move them to another drive for safekeeping. Then delete all the files from the save folder except for the backup folder. Uninstall Rocket League from your system and reinstall it. Once reinstalled, launch the game. You may notice that all settings and presets are reset. Next, enter an exhibition match to see if you gain XP or progress. After that, exit the game and ensure no related tasks are running in the task manager. Replace the save game files from the backup folder with the original save folder and enable Steam Cloud Sync again for your save data. Finally, start Rocket League and check if the issue was resolved. If the issue persists on PS4, try restarting the console first. If that doesn't work, enter safe mode by turning off the PS4, then press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Connect your PS4 controller, select the Rebuild Database option, and wait for the process to finish before restarting the console. If the corrupted data is still there, go to Settings and System Storage Management, then go to Save Data, and Rocket League and manually delete the corrupted file. Re-download the file afterward and check for any storage or disk issues. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.